couple came out which was overscrewed. We got a couple more 16 bolts on the side, and we can lower the sump pan down. Little tip to get the oil sump pan out: there are a couple screws hidden a little bit angled behind, between the block and the sump pan, so you need an extension. Also wrap it around with sellotape, not to lose it, because I've already lost one bit. So I'm gonna show you the place where it is. So the two sump pan screws are right in there and angled. You cannot see because it's dark, but make sure you wrap it with a sellotape, because otherwise you will lose one bit and you may not have another one. So it's 2 hours we are trying to and get to two bits which are hidden behind the block and sump pump, and it's just, we are getting nowhere. Got myself a little dent as well. We'll see if we can find something in a shop. Well, we need a vet.
If you decide to change a timing chain, make sure you've got a long hex key. Here we go, we've got one. We still need a... Finally, we made that what we lost in the beginning when we tried to unscrew with those small hex keys.
That's one of the screws which we had to drill through. It's fairly loose now, but the head was screwed and we couldn't get it out, so I can just unscrew it with my hands.